When you are cleaning out an estate or you are downsizing, what do you do with all the stuff you have to get rid of? Hi, I'm Diane. I'm a professional organizer and I offer common sense solutions to dealing with the stuff in your home. So no matter how clean your home is, how well organized you are, there's always stuff that needs to be disposed of. So I cover this kind of in depth in both of my books, Downsizing Pro and 52 Weeks to a Clutter-Free Home, but I'm going to give you an overview of some things. First of all, if you're doing an estate and you have the capability of getting a dumpster, get one. It's going to depend on your township, your city. You have to have a flat spot to put it in, so if the driveway's on a hill, you're not going to get the dumpster in there. Some places will let you put them along the street, so check with your township, your municipality, whatever, first to find out what the regulations are and how long you can have it, because that's going to be your best bet. And then put signs on it saying that it's under surveillance and no one should get into the dumpster because you'll have people in there dumpster diving and making a huge mess of things. And also with a dumpster, you can't just dump things in there, believe it or not. Open the back door, carry it in, and you pack that thing like you're packing a kind of a shipping container, because you want to be able to get the maximum amount of stuff in there that you absolutely can. You cannot exceed the height of the dumpster. The companies will not allow you to do that. And get the largest dumpster you can, because you're probably going to need it. So that's what you do with that. Now, but what if you're just kind of downsizing, cleaning out your house? Well, there's a lot of different things you can do. A lot of your areas will have a place where they'll accept things like cardboard, magazines, catalogs, things like that. Find out about that. Sometimes that's your waste management property, but sometimes there's other recycling places. Things like books. A lot of your libraries will accept donations of books because they'll resell them and then use the money for their programs. So find out if there's a drop-off for library books with your local library. Any kind of chemicals, paint thinner, things like that, old motor oil, just car kind of chemicals and things like that, anything like that. Most of your waste management facilities will take that for free. They'll take batteries, they will take old computers, some will take old appliances, because what they do is recycle all of that. So find out what exactly they take, and then you can take it, because like I said, they'll take it for free. You just got to load it in your car and take it in, they'll help you unload it. If you have large appliances that you have to get rid of, kind of check with your, people in your area. Sometimes you'll have somebody who'll pick that kind of stuff up because they'll scrap it. So they're happy to pick it up and haul it away for you. Same thing goes with if you have a lot of metal. You can scrap it yourself, or you can see if you can find someone who can scrap it. Find out on one of the free sites on Facebook. There are free sites that you can go in most Facebook neighborhoods where you can say, okay, I have this to get rid of, who wants it? If you have furniture that you want to get rid of, we have a great organization here in Lancaster County called Off the Streets, and they will take donation of some furniture and things because they help people literally get off the streets. And they will set them up with an apartment, so they're always looking for all kinds of donations for things, beds, furniture, dishes, just anything, everything, cleaning supplies, things like that. If you have food to let go of that is still unopened and still not expired, most of your council of churches will have food banks, or there'll be food banks in your areas that will accept those things. That pretty much covers a lot of the kind of things you're going to have to let go of. Of course, you can donate a lot of things, and I prefer to have you donate it than throw it in a dumpster. If it's good and it's usable, like books and things, I'm always shocked at some of the things people throw in dumpsters. Family like, oh, well, I don't want this, so toss it. Donate it. Regardless of how you feel about Goodwill or other organizations, at least it's not going in a landfill. So that's the way you can handle that. But don't put any more in the dumpster than you have to, because you'd be surprised at how quick that's going to fill up. So I hope that helps you if you have things to get rid of.